Alright you guys, fluids are all topped off. We're going to go ahead and prime the engine. It's been sitting for quite a while, so all that oil that was there is pretty much non-existent, so that film of oil around like the pistons and stuff like that. I just want to go ahead and build that oil pressure. We're going to try to get as much of that water to move around. I'll obviously end up having to add some more coolant as soon as the thermostat opens, once it actually gets up to operating temperature, but I still want to go ahead and get all those fluids primed and ready to go when we do fire it up. Alright, so I got the battery hooked up. It's not installed necessarily, it's just kind of sitting back there, but gauge ceremony. Oh, I never get tired of that. I miss this car so much. Alright, so there's our quick prime. Let's go ahead and button the rest of it up and see if it starts. Man, I forgot how good this looks lowered. Let's get rid of this. Let's go ahead and make some noise. At least I hope it's going to make some noise. I'm going to double check everything's hooked up. So ignition's in. Injectors are in. Car's primed, so we're going to do the initial startup. My heart's super beating. Oh. Key. I'm shaking a bit. Guys, it's been 2 years for me since I've gotten to see this thing, or hear this thing run. So here it goes. Alright, so it sounds a little rough. I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything looks good. I am also running 2-year-old fuel, so that could be it, but let's go take a look. Alright, so we checked all our fluids. I torqued the wheels before I got distracted again. So that's done. Now we're going to fire it up, and then this time I'm going to drive it out. And then I'm just going to let it warm up, and then yeah, I'm going to let it try to get to operating temperature. Hopefully that breakup, rough idling is simply just really bad fuel. Well, there it is. Settling as usual. Not the healthiest, but it's settling a little better. I ended up finding out that one of the connectors for one of my ignition coils wasn't hooked up all the way. But now it is, and we've got a nice little idle. I'm going to have to check out my scan codes and see why my ABS light is on. Being that this is a Haldex-based car, it's not going to run the rear wheels at full power. But yeah, car's almost completely up to temp. It's at 81 degrees, 90 degrees Celsius is operating temperature. AFRs look really nice. Vacuum looks good. So we're off to a good start. Well, you guys, put about 300 miles on the TT already. We do have a few kinks to work out, but I'll explain those here in a little bit. I think it's safe to cross off that last bit off our list. So let's go ahead and do that. So I am very pleased to say that we got this stage of the TT done. This by no means obviously means that the TT is done. We've got plenty still to do, but Proving Grounds is right around the corner, which means I'm gonna make it. This major part of the project, this beginning portion. Like I said, I'm just very pleased to have been able to complete that. Like I said, the TT is running great for the most part. And I say for the most part because it still does have a few kinks, like I mentioned before. I'm breaking up under high boost right now. So pretty much anything over 20, right around when I start hitting 20 pounds, I start breaking up a little bit. But that's okay, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure I know what the cause is. So I'll test that. I still have essentially... I've got about a day to figure that out, so I got a day to drive it to and from work and test it out to see if that actually did fix it. But outside of that, here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it here. We will continue on with the next one. I'll kind of show you exactly the list of kinks that I have. We're going to go ahead and make a new list. Pretty much everything on here is already done. And then we'll go to step 2, 3, 4, I don't know. We've got plenty of steps. So, with that said, you guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this one. I do actually want to apologize for how crappy this one's put together. I had an extremely busy last couple of days. Had a wedding to go to, just a bunch of stuff. But those are just excuses. I'll work on that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.